Hi, grade 12s. I hope you are well. I have a challenging question here. It says, in an arithmetic pattern, you have T5, which equals to 12, and you also have T14, which equals to minus 33. Now, you are required to find the nth term in the form Tn, which equals to a plus into n minus 1 times d. I think you can see clearly. Now, I'm going to help you with this challenge, right? The first thing that you're going to do, you must have to have something in mind that I'm going to work the two equations, the two number terms simultaneously. Now, I'm going to start with the smallest one, T5, which equals to a plus into n minus 1 times d. Then what is the value of our T5? It is 12, which equals to a plus n minus 1, and then n, I replace n by 5, which is meant for T5 times d. Now this is 12, which equals to a, 5 times d, it's going to be 5d, negative 1 times d, it's going to be negative d. This is 12, which equals to a plus 5d minus d, it's going to be 4d. Now, this is part of my equation 1. Now, on my equation 2, I will say T14, which equals to a plus 14 minus 1 times d. What is my value of T14? It is minus 33, which equals to a plus 14 times d, it's going to be 14d, minus negative 1 times d, it's going to be minus d. Now this is negative 33, which equals to a plus 14 minus d. I group the like terms, I'm left with a plus 13d. Now these are my two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Now, is it similar to work with equation 1 or equation 2? I'm going to change equation 1 into equation 3. I will say 12, which equals to a plus 4d, which equals to, let me simplify it. I'm going to say a, which equals to 12 minus 4d. Then this is my equation 3. Now, on this side, I'm going to substitute equation 3 into 2. Sub 3 into 2. Because if you substitute 3 into 1, the answers that you are going to get, it will be 0, since they are the same equations. I hope you understand right there. Now, what is my equation 2? My equation 2, it is minus 33, which equals to a plus 13d. Now, for better solution, where I see a, I substitute with 12 minus 4d. Negative 33, which equals to a plus, which equals to a, on the value of a, I have to write 12 minus 4d plus 13d. Now, this is negative 33, which equals to 12 minus 4d plus 13d, I will be left with plus 9d. Now, it is negative 33, and then I take 12 to the left-hand side, since it will change its sign. 12, which equals to 9d. Minus 33 minus 12, it's minus 45, which equals to 9d. Then I divide by 9 both sides, and then my value of d, it is equals to negative 5. Now, I have found the value of d. Now, working on the value of a, I can take any equation just to substitute a. Then I will say on my equation 1, 12, which equals to a plus 4d. And then, seems like this equation was changed to a, which equals to 12 minus 4d. Now, I will substitute a equals to 12 minus 4 into negative 5. Minus 4 into negative 5. Now, I have to check if my equation is very real. Now, it seems like a equals to 12 minus 4d. Right? What I'm going to get, I'm simply going to get, I will say a, which equals to 12, negative 4 times negative 5, then it will be plus 20. Plus 20. Now, the value of A, it is equals to 12 plus 20, and then it is going to be 30. It seems like my first term it is equals to 30. Now, how am I going to find the nth term? I'm going to say Tn, since I find the value of A, and then it is equal to 30 plus n minus 1. This is n, I will write n minus 1 times the value of D, which is negative 5. Then this is going to be 30 plus negative 5 times n, it's going to be negative 5n, and then what's going to happen? Negative 5 times negative 1 is going to be plus 5. Then this is 30 minus 5n plus 5. Now what I'm going to get is 30 plus 5, then this is going to be minus 5n first, since it's a number, a base with a variable. Then it's going to be plus 35. Now I have found the value of my nth term. Thank you for grade 12 for watching, and then go and practice more and more of these problems, and then I promise you will get that coveted distinction at the end of the year. Thank you.